Los Angeles. Hey you guys, update. I already forgot how to film. I totally forgot to film the result of that first course that I did in Los Angeles. And I'm already back at the plant. I'm unloading my pump wash. I'm gonna get loaded for my second load. That's gonna be in Arcadia. So let me get this dumped and loaded for my second job. Good morning everyone, welcome back to a new day. I haven't got loaded and it's already 6:15. Yesterday I was having this problem too where I came really early to the plant. I was here at 5:30 and I didn't get loaded till 6:40, so I was late to my job in Los Angeles by 10 minutes. So today I came 15 minutes earlier, but I think everyone thought the same, and now I'm still waiting. It's already 6:10 I think, and I have not yet got loaded. But today's list was very much longer. Yesterday I was third in line and I didn't get loaded till 6:30, and today I think I'm in probably fourth or fifth place. I've been just chilling inside my truck for the past hour, but hopefully we get loaded soon because I don't want to be late to my job again. I don't like being late. This plant, the way it works is that they load some FOBs and then they'll throw in some of their trucks, so it's kind of hard to say when I'm gonna get loaded. I really don't know. There's a line in front of me, but they also load up their trucks. But I will make sure to update you guys once I'm loading and making my way to my job. Alright you guys, I just finished up right now at this job in Arcadia. I'm done. I'm gonna head back to the plant and load up for another job. I'm not sure where I'm going, how many yards, nothing. I'm just gonna go wash out and then load up for my third job. And I do want to mention that I gave out my contact for a post-construction clean. This is a new home. I thought this was the perfect opportunity to ask if they have a cleaner, and they don't. So I passed out my contact and the guy was so nice. He said that he would give my number out. So I'm so excited. We'll see what happens, but I think I'm gonna start doing that. I need to make my business cards. I think this is the most perfect job to be passing out my cards, because I'm talking to contractors that are constantly building new projects and need cleaners. So I think this is going to be a great advantage. But anyways, I'm going to go to the plant, wash out, and go load up. I'll see you guys there. I'm done at this job. I didn't even update you guys. I've been so busy trying to scrub this truck because it is filthy from whoever was using this truck before me. But anyways, I came to Long Beach with 5 yards for that job that I just showed you guys. I'm done. I'm gonna head back to the plant. There's an hour of traffic. I'll see you guys there. Guys, good morning. I'm here loaded with 3.5 yards with color, and I'm taking this load to the city of Laverne. And if I have to take a guess, I think this load is gonna be for pool coping. So let's go see if I'm correct. Hey you guys, quick update. I'm back at the plant. I rinsed out my drum because if you've seen, I had that strong orange color. I'm not gonna get loaded for my second load, which is 2.5 yards, another baby load, and I'm taking it to the neighbor city of the city that I was just at, which is Claremont. So let's get loaded and see what they're gonna use this 2.5 yards for. I kind of want to say it's gonna be for a pool coping again, if not a foundation. So we'll see, but I'll see you guys at the job. update, I just loaded for my third load, which was another 2.5 yards. I'm taking these 2.5 yards to Chino. So let's go ahead and make our way over there. I do believe that I'm a cleanup, so they're probably waiting for me. So let's get going. Alright, you guys, another job complete. There was a total of 62.5 yards delivered here today, which is an insane amount. I happen to be the last load here. I'm pretty sure I'm done for the day, but I'll update you guys once I'm at the plant. Alright, you guys, I'm done for the day. It's perfect timing. It's only 2:30, so that's awesome. I'm gonna go pick up my business cards because if you've seen my Where Have I Been video, I said that I was starting a new business and I went to go put an order for business cards and they're finally ready today, so I'm so excited. I finally get to start passing them out. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do right now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey you guys, come join me to make dinner and lunch for work tomorrow. On today's menu, I'm gonna be making, and I'm here at the market to go grab some things that I need, so come with me. Back home, I had to go to 2 markets because the first market only had frozen shrimp, so I went to go get fresh shrimp from El Super. Let's start cooking these shrimp tacos.